Oh. Hey, what's up, you guys? Wow, it's been a minute. It's been a minute. It's April 24th, and I am in Florida, and I'm here with my family. We're on vacation, and I decided that I want to do a little bit of a video. So this is day one in Florida with my family. I'm gonna be recreating Instagram's queen of feeds. I'm gonna be recreating Connor FRANTA'S photos. So before we jump into today's video, guys, make sure you guys click that subscribe button, the bell, follow me. There's a bird. It's gone. There's a bird. I don't know. Subscribe. Hey, what's up, you guys? Oh my gosh. Okay, we're back from a vacation. Fast forward a little bit. My sister got a dog. He's literally just like soothing on my toe right now. Oh, so now you're gonna stop. Oh, no. Now chew the tripod. And before we get into today's video, I just want to talk about something like in particular. As of now, as I grow in more photography, I actually take a photography course. A really big portion of photography really comes in with your own personal creativity. And I find that is a really big portion of what I enjoy in photography. I put him on a timeout on my bed because he's chewing everything. Just doesn't stop. So the first picture that I wanted to show you guys is just like the generic palm tree. I really love palm trees, so when I knew that I was going to Florida, I was like, gotta get those pictures of every single palm tree that I see. One really like picture that really inspired me from Connor FRANTA was right here. And not necessarily I really wanted to copy it, but I really like the idea of it, which is kind of like looking from below of a palm tree, like looking up. So we are at this place called Treasure Island, and it's adorable. So like Connor FRANTA has like a lot of pictures of palm trees. So like, yeah. And just to me, like, do people actually like look at palm trees and think of the Lorax? Like, you know those little like that they have really tall and they have puffs? Because whenever I see a palm tree, I think of the Lorax. Anyway, so like the first picture that I really tried to recreate with palm trees that I really enjoyed was this picture. It doesn't really show necessarily, you guys can look at it right here. It doesn't really show like the sunset, which I kind of had some troubles with, but I really liked how minimal this was. My second favorite palm tree picture that I took was probably this one. I found like a common theme with like Connor FRANTA'S pictures. When he did like a lot of them, there was always like an object that kind of blocked it. And one of them that I really liked, I'll show it right here. Plethora of like flowers below it. I really like that, so I kind of tried to copy that. I tried to just do like a yellow fence that kind of like had the same kind of effect as the flowery bush. And my last two favorite pictures I took of palm trees or anything, I just kind of took pictures because I thought they were cute. Both kind of at sunsets, but at different times, which I think were pretty cool, how this guy like changes saturation. And my second one right here, this one's like probably one of my favorite pictures I took. It was on our last day. It's actually in our video. If you guys, oh, side note, shameless self-promo, but if you guys want to go see a lot of my clips that I did in this Florida trip, I made a whole like artsy video. Like a completely other side note, this picture doesn't really go with anything, but like look at this cute picture of me in a hat. Actually, the reason why we got that hat is because I had really bad sunburned ears and my parents made me wear it because they didn't want it to burn anymore. Kinda cute. So moving on to the second picture that I wanted to recreate from Connor FRANTA, I will put that right here, but here's the tea. I wanted to go, there was a really nice yellow wall at our resort, but every single time I tried, okay, keep this in mind, our resort was like designated for like elderly people. There was always a naked elderly man or woman standing in front of this wall, sunbathing in front of this wall. I didn't really want to do a photo shoot. I thought that'd be weird. So my sister and I, we found a different wall that we took a lot of pictures at. I'll put them all right here. I'm wearing a band t-shirt, some ripped jeans, very on brand for me. Anywho, okay. So my next picture, okay, this one's kind of far-fetched. So this one, I kind of took the idea and made it my own. Put Connor FRANTA'S picture up here. I really enjoyed it. His dad took it, which I thought was really cute. Side note again, total side note, I met Connor FRANTA. If you guys want to watch that video, great side note, Jordan, or down below in the description. It was amazing. Moving on. But yeah, so like Connor FRANTA had like a different like idea to it. Like day 2 of this vacation. So I'll show you guys my picture, I'll explain it. This is my picture, different, I know. I've always been like fascinated by like pictures that show a distinct break between the water surface and the air above it and the water below it. I don't know. Moving on to our next photo, this is probably like my favorite picture, like just putting it out there, this is probably my favorite picture that I actually recreated because I thought it was pretty accurate to what Connor FRANTA did. Shocker, you know? So the way I found this picture, I actually looked up Connor FRANTA on Pinterest and this picture popped up. I'll put it right here. I'm almost certain he took it. I hope he did because then this whole channel is flawed. Flawed. But anyways, yeah, I thought I did it really good. So here's Connor FRANTA'S picture just one last time, and then let's put up my photo. So here is my picture. I thought it was pretty accurate to what it was out there. I tried taking this picture like over 100 times. Moving on. The next picture I tried to recreate from Connor FRANTA is right here. Tell me, Connor, what sick alien-like plant is this? Because I looked all over Florida. I took so many pictures of freaking plants that kind of resembled this plant, and none of them looked like it. I couldn't edit them to look like it. I couldn't take said picture, but I tried. Moving on to the next picture, I think this one was a little bit better. Here is Connor FRANTA'S photo. For our first resort that we stayed on, we actually stayed by this water. We sat by this beach, this ocean, the Gulf of Mexico. That's the word. Anyway, but on our first night, we decided to go for a walk down on the beach. So I took a couple of pictures of my feet. Something that I really was excited about when I was going on this trip was to go on a plane. I actually really like going on a plane. We did end up going up. We didn't have that many clouds on our flight, but I wanted to take a picture that Connor FRANTA took. So here is his photo. So I tried to like do like a similar kind of thing. The one thing that I liked about this picture is he really worked on not so much vibrant colors, but it looks more like dark browns, whites, grays, like a little hint of faded blue up at the top. So I tried to recreate that with mine. But yeah, here's my photo. Is it good? Is it bad? That concludes today's video, guys. Once again, I did take a lot of other pictures that were from my own brain. My favorite part about photography is that there's really no rules to it. One big tip that I really like to do with photography is, honestly, I used to be so obsessed in that moment trying to get perfect pictures, but honestly, what I really suggest is just living life. If you go on a vacation, go on the vacation. Don't go on a trip to take photos, if you guys know what I mean. Go out there, take pictures of those moments, try to capture those moments, but don't try to go out of your way to focus on that rather than just living in the moment. Like I said, I took some other pictures, so here are some of my favorites. I really tried to just took anything and everything, really. Whether it be a portrait, whether it be pictures of like landscapes or sunsets or just the way light hit different surfaces. Before we get to the end of today's video, I just want to share something. I did reactivate my Instagram, so I'm debating on posting some of these photos. I really do want to because I love sharing my art with you guys, but I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to stay on Instagram. It's hard. If you guys haven't seen my video, if you guys want to know what happened and why I took my Instagram break, I'll also link that up here. However, I do have a lot of different videos planned. I hope that I'll be able to record them. When I was on my break, it was really hard for me to actually film and get in front of a camera. Yeah, I hope you guys are liking these type of videos. And just remember, guys, make sure you guys are treating every Monday like it's a Friday. It's been a long time since I've said that. Wow. It's fine. And if you guys are new here, my name is Jordan. I post every Monday. If you guys want to subscribe, if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that bell, because I don't know what he's dreaming of or what is happening, but his tail is just a going. Oh, it stops. If any of you guys are watching RuPaul's Drag Race Season 10, comment down below who's your favorite queen. I'm rooting for Ms. Cracker. Banshee. Ew. Bye, guys.